Nothing recently unveiled a new Android app and Chrome plugin called Nothing Warp, and transferring files across platforms has never been easier. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Nothing Warp allowed you to seamlessly transfer files, links, copy text and images between your Android phone and a Windows, Mac OS, or Linux computer. This tool could have been genuinely useful, especially if you work between Android and Apple systems. But if you were hoping to try it, you can't, because less than 24 hours after its launch, Nothing Warp is gone. The Google Play Store listing has been deleted, and even the blog post announcing Nothing Warp. So what's going on? Perhaps Nothing faced legal concerns, or maybe the feature simply turned out not to be polished enough to launch yet. It feels like this is something that's probably not coming back. Still, it might not be the greatest loss, as sources tried the service before it disappeared and found that it was quite slow. This is presumably because of how it works, as Nothing Warp was just like uploading files to your Google Drive account on one device and then downloading them from there to another, rather than sending things directly from one device to another. Still has some advantages over manually uploading and downloading from Google Drive, as it's a bit slicker and more seamless, but it sounds like AirDrop and QuickShare are probably better options. Indeed, while some users quite liked Nothing Warp in the brief time it was available, others were less convinced. On Reddit, some users gave positive comments like, "Amazing, I love using it," as well as more negative ones like, "So QuickShare with extra steps." For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.